Welcome to the group. I'm so excited that you're here. We're kicking off this week talking about a product that I have used religiously for, I think it's 8 years. Many of you know that like my core, deepest passion is in musical theater. I've been performing for, really since I was a little kid. I would sing and dance to Celine Dion and Disney princesses, but I didn't start performing until high school because that opportunity was never available to me where we were going at. One of the most annoying parts of theater back then, we have since fixed this issue, was makeup. When you're on stage, you have all of these really intense, bright lights on you, and your face can get really washed out from the lights. So when you wear makeup on stage, you have to wear pretty intense colors, thicker makeup. It's not what you would wear just on the street or even for bridal, wedding, formal makeup. One of the fears, especially if you're playing the lead, this is actually how my husband and I had our first kiss, was on stage in our senior musical. We did Crazy for You. I played Polly, the lead female, and he was a supporting lead, Bella Zangler. And we had to kiss in the show. Super funny. But when I would kiss my co-star, it was always a fear. Am I gonna get red lipstick on you? And it would happen, and it would suck. It was the worst. So then fast forward 2017, I was currently playing Ariel in The Little Mermaid. And I remember seeing a video of this collection that they released. If you know me, you know I live for sparkles. I love sparkly, glittery things. Not only was I finding out about this bulletproof lip product that's budge proof, transfer proof, can last up to 18 hours. Oh, waterproof. It had literal diamond shavings in it. This is one of my original ones. I don't know if it'll focus. And I got a color that wasn't this one. This is the caramel apple diamond, which they still sell, but there was one called Crimson Red, and it was this deep, gorgeous red lip. And it was perfect with my Ariel wig. So I ran on Crimson Red Diamond LipSense through that whole show. Into my next show, I loved it. Ever since then, this has been my ride or die lip product. So today I want to show you how to apply it. Be prepared to be wowed. So LipSense is not a lipstick. It is not a liquid lip. It is a lip color. It's really thin in its consistency, and you put it on in 3 different layers when you do your application. And I'm going to do a tutorial here in just a sec. It comes in a kit. You get 3 different products and they all work together. You get the color of your choice, and you get a glossy gloss, which is the key to setting the color and its longevity. LipSense does not work without the gloss. And then at the end of the day, to take it off, you get this oops remover. These 3 things all together are the foolproof method for 18-hour lips. I'm going to show you how to apply. This color in particular is one of my favorites that I've used over the years. This is Goddess. When you're first applying, getting ready to apply LipSense, biggest thing, clean, dry lips. If you are a chapstick user, you need to make sure there is nothing on your lips. Chapstick is wax. It's not hydrating your lips, it's coating a dehydration problem. You might have a little bit of wax buildup. So when you're putting on LipSense, it's going to adhere to your lips, like I said. So if there's anything in the way, it's going to adhere to that, and it can start to come apart throughout the day. Always shake the little tube, because it just kind of combines everything, especially if there's a shimmer in there. It can kind of settle, so you just want to get it all mixed together. And then as you apply, keep your lips totally open, flat, so there's no little crinkles. If you just apply it with all your lip wrinkles pushed together, it's going to miss all those little cracks in between. When you do your first dip, kind of scrape off excess. You don't need a lot. I'm going to do my best here with the phone camera. So when you're doing your first layer, you kind of want to get the edges just a little bit, start to kind of build up the shape. As you're applying, you don't want your lips to touch because it gets really sticky, and you want to keep saliva off of your lips best you can. I like to make sure the Cupid's bow is really defined, so I make sure to pay attention to that in each layer. Okay, so that's the first layer. 2 more to go. Make sure it's dry before applying the next one. You're gonna feel so silly if you try to talk while doing this, just like me. And the 3rd layer. This is where you want to make sure, I've got a mirror up here, if there's any little holes or spots you didn't get, go get it. And then when that's dry, get some gloss and get it everywhere on that color. And then you can start to rub your lips together and talk normal again. And there it is. Goddess. It's such a gorgeous color. I think it's so flattering on so many different skin tones. And here's the magic of LipSense. Completely budge-proof, kiss-proof, waterproof, color's not going anywhere. If you would like to try LipSense, message me. I will help you find a color that will look good on you, especially if you have a color that you love currently, but you'd like to kind of dupe it with a LipSense. This will be your best friend when it comes to bulletproof makeup. I would love to help you pick something out. The cost for the 3 of these together in the kit, the color, the gloss, and the remover is $60. And when I say this will last you so long, it's not like your cream lipsticks that will expire in 6 months. This will last years to come. And if you've stayed around this long, it was worth it. I have a promo for you. If you place an order with me for the LipSense starter kit by Wednesday the 31st at midnight, you will get free shipping, which will save you $7 on your order. I love you all. Please message me if you have any questions or leave a comment here. I'll be so happy to help. Thank you. Bye.